Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download Abiotic Vector on your PC. As you can see, I have opened my browser on Google, and what we will do is tick in Abiotic Vector. There it is. Go to the Steam link on top, and after that you will arrive at this page. So there are a few things that you can do to get this game on your PC. As you can see, they are showing a video, some pictures, check it out, and also read some information about this game. After that, you can scroll all the way down over here, and here you can see the system requirements. As you can see, there are quite a lot of requirements. Check it out if your PC is eligible to download and play this game. And after that, you can simply scroll back to the top, and there you can see Add to Cart. Click on it, and after that you can continue to payment. For now, follow these steps to make sure you can download this game. You need to log into your Steam account, and after that you can download and purchase this game. Hopefully this video was very helpful, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!